Hey Glam Dolls, I'm here today to help you get your glow on by sharing with you all the newly released LA Colors Illuminating Skin Enhancer Drops, which comes in 6 gorgeous shades right here. I also received the cutest ever little compact mirror with a matching makeup bag. But I want to get to swatching these skin enhancing drops because that's what this video is all about. So the first one up is going to be called Liquid Gold, and I'm gonna let you see for itself why the name is Liquid Gold. You ready for it? Look at that! Oh my gosh, that is pure liquid gold. Loves it. Oh my gosh, as I was saying, these are the newly released LA Colors Illuminating Skin Enhancing Drops, and the purpose of these drops is to capture and diffuse light onto the skin. This one is called Sun Goddess, which is my absolute fave out of all of them, because when I wear this one, I really do feel like I'm some type of sun goddess. Look at that glow. Look at that glow. I kid y'all not. Speaking of glow, these drops will give you a gorgeous glow to just about any skin complexion, okay? Any skin complexion can use these drops and going to receive a beautiful, beautiful touch of glow onto the skin. You can also use these drops as a highlighter, you know, to add some definition by applying it onto the high points of your face. Or you can mix it with your favorite foundation. Okay, you can mix it with your favorite foundation to give your face an all over glow, or you can intensify the drops like what you just seen I did right here by adding quite a bit more drops to it, and then you can use these as a strobing highlight if you want to strobe. Or I got one even better for you. If you really want to get your body glowing, you can actually mix this with your favorite skincare lotion or your body lotion, and you can apply this all over your arms, your legs, your chest, you know, your little booty, however you please, because it's going to give you a beautiful body glow that will complement any skin tone. I kid you not. When it comes to LA Colors, they really have dramatically improved on the quality of their cosmetic line, which to me can rival designer brand quality at a fraction of its cost, because these are available on lacolors.com website. And another great thing about these drops is you can actually mix them together to create your own glow, which I'm going to show you right now. I'm taking Liquid Gold and I'm going to mix it with the color called It's Lit to create my own custom shade. And the purpose of doing this is just to give you an idea of what can be done. You can mix 2 shades, you can mix 3 shades, you can mix as many shades as you like. But as you can see, it is something that can definitely be done. And look at that. I like that glow. And on that note, dolls, this pretty much just concluded the video. Which, by the way, this is not no sponsored video. I just love LA Colors. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. And I will see you all in another video again shortly. Later, dolls.